Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with eTrade for tax documents, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with eTrade for tax documents, start by visiting the eTrade website. Look for the login button at the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. Enter your user ID in the provided field. Click continue to proceed. Now, input your password in the designated text box. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a verification code. Check your email or phone for the code. Enter the code in the verification field on the screen. After successful authentication, navigate to the Accounts section on your dashboard. Look for the Documents tab within your account menu. Click on the Documents tab to access your tax documents. You will see a list of available documents for the current tax year. Locate the specific tax document you need, such as the 1099 form. Click on the document link to open it. Review the document for accuracy and necessary details. To download, click the Download button next to the document. Choose the desired file format, typically PDF. Save the document to your computer or device. If you need additional forms, repeat the process as necessary. Once you have downloaded all required documents, log out of your eTrade account for security. Keep your tax documents stored securely for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.